So to install Kali Linux in VMbox, we need to download VMbox first. Open browser and search for Oracle VM. Click on first Oracle website. Download the VMbox for Windows. I'm downloading it to desktop. Now we need to download Kali Linux ISO file. Search Get Kali Linux. Click first site to download Kali Linux ISO. Scroll down to get ISO file. Click on recommended ISO file to download. So now we have ISO in VMbox. I have installed VMbox already, so I will just open it. Click on New tab to create a new OS. Give name as Kali. This is the path where the Kali OS will be stored. Now we need to select the downloaded ISO file. Keep all the setting as it is. We need to make changes in hardware section. Give base memory RAM as much you want. Give number of processor you want. Now we need to make changes in hard disk. Give the storage size you want for your Kali Linux. Click Finish. As now we have done all pre-required things. Click Start to get installation done. Click first Graphical Installation option. Select the language English. Select the country India. Select the keyboard language as American English. Give hostname as Kali. As I don't have any domain, so just continue. Give username as Kali. Give password as Kali. As we have to select first option here. Here you will say the hard disk space given it may be some increased. Keep all files in one partition, so don't make any changes here. Just select Finish Partition. Select Yes, you made changes. Here you have to select the desktop layout for Kali Linux. Let's keep it as default. Here select Yes. Now select the hard disk name as option 2. Click Continue to reboot. The OS will get restarted. Enter your login credentials. You given username as Kali and password as Kali. Now change the view of the VM box. Your Kali Linux now got installed successfully.